Amazon is powerful, but selling only there is the biggest risk you're taking right now. So I love Amazon. Most people love Amazon until they get suspended, right? And this is the worst thing, and it happens to most Amazon sellers at least once in their lifetime, right? Right when sales start to go up, you're like, oh, this is going great. You wake up one day and boom, your account's deactivated. And you're like, what is going on? And it happens all the time, more than you can expect it. And you just need to be ready when this happens. And in order to be ready, you have multiple streams of income. Now we can look at this document right here from Yahoo saying that pretty much 35% of sellers experienced a suspension. I believe it's more than 35%, but this is literally a Yahoo article. 35% of sellers have experienced an account suspension, with mid-sized sellers, aka 100K to 1 million billion, being the most effective. If you're making under 100K, I guess you're just not selling that much for Amazon to actually get a magnifying glass and look at your account. If you're selling over $1 million, you possibly have an internal connection at Amazon, right? But that doesn't, I mean, anybody can get suspended, even the ones that have internal connections. So you just need to be ready. 35% is pretty darn high, right? And I actually believe it's a little bit higher than that. I think it might be even like in the 40%, but you can figure that out. Now, of course, the first thing that I recommend you do is that we do have a YouTube video, how to create a stealth account. We also have a course if you really, really need it. But this video literally shows you how to create a stealth account for free. I always recommend, once you start making money on Amazon, it's time to have a backup account, right? One or two will do just fine. They shouldn't be in your name. It should be a stealth account in somebody else's name, like a friend's, ready to go. So that way, if you do quit your job and you're going all in on Amazon, which a lot of people do, your stream of income isn't completely ruined and you're not all upset, and you don't want to do that, and you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. So we work with Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Etsy, TikTok, right? But the number one platform I really am going to push you to expand to is going to be Walmart. The reason is Walmart is extremely similar extremely similar to Amazon. So Walmart is very, very similar. We just launched a client, and within 20 days on Walmart, their first 20 days, they made almost $6,000 right off the get. So it's not crazy numbers, but it was a small test. Walmart does have crazy potential, right? And you can see the sales spike. So they weren't even selling at all. And then we're like, let's get on Walmart just to test it out. And you can see the sales start to increase and increase and increase. And now it's like, okay, it looks like it's time to increase their quantity of inventory and go all in. And this is without advertising. So they were able to get to page number 1 very quickly and stay on page number 1, which is very difficult to do on Amazon without advertising. As you know, doing a large launch is difficult at times and costs a lot of money on Amazon. So the whole premise of this video is to always be prepared. Amazon's powerful, but it is a big risk if you're just going all in on one platform with one account. You should always have backups in every area of your business life, right? That way, when one stream of income is cut off, you have another, and you're not sitting in the corner and, oh no, I have all these debts. You always have backups. That's my recommendation. If you are interested in expanding to any of these other platforms, we can help you. And if you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.